everyone, day 9, page 9. Da, da, da. Okay, this one's a very simple page. You've just got one vertical pocket which tucks into there like that. So your page map or your page plan will be, that's your page, that's your hinge side, vertical pocket. And we'll just pop that to there. So page 9, arrow there, make sure it's nothing on the other side because that's for page 10. Okay, so we've got that one will be stuck on first, then your pocket, and then your contrasting paper on there like that. I like this text one as well. I like the background colour really. Sort of like a grey brown, isn't it?
Yeah, I must admit, that collection I wasn't very keen on it, but the more you look at it, I'm thinking, oh yes, I quite like
it's funny,
that.
isn't it? Yeah, because I was like that with the Flutter collection. You know, the one with all the butterflies.
Oh right, yeah. Oh, that was very pretty from the start.
Yeah. Once I got going with that, I was like, oh yes. So this one's going to go on here. Going to be a pocket again, so glue on 3 sides.
He's talking today, isn't he?
Yeah, he's chattering away, isn't he? Okay, and that's your pocket there.
Okay.
Okay, page 9 done. Page 10, the last page. Well done for keeping up. So the last page is, you have a strip pocket there, a larger pocket here, and then you have a decorative top there which corresponds with the front cover. So your page plan is straight page, page 10, front view, hinge side, horizontal strip pocket, you've got a horizontal pocket and a decorative strip. Okay, so pop that to one side, but I will keep the page open, so right, okay, make sure it's up the right way. Right, okay, so page 10. So let's work this out. So this is going to be your pocket. It's going to fit on there. So that one will go up to there. That one will be on there. That's going to be a pocket. That one's going to go there. And then this one is going to go across there. It just breaks it up nicely. If you just had it like that, it would be a bit too stark. That's why I like to put other little bits, because it just helps to
brings the colours together as well.
It brings the colours together, yeah. Okay, right, so we're going to start with this one first. Next. I think we'll have to ask Daryl to make us another sign. Trouble is, it's right by the kitchen, isn't it? That's where they are.
No, it's not. No, it's actually in his office, in the reception.
Oh, no.
He's in reception.
He's in reception?
Yeah.
God, he's loud today. stick this on here so you can see what we're doing. So that one goes as far down as that one will go is there. Okay. Down just a little bit because you've got your decorative strip going on there. That's your piece there. Right, so that one's going to go. Yeah, that's fine. And I can see that I didn't cut that straight either. And I won't be able to see it on there, will I? Piece of paper. I'm cheating, Kay.
Well, you are cheating.
Except that looks wider now, I think, because my piece of that's better. Although that still looks wider there, doesn't it?
It looks better.
But it looks much better than it was. Okay. You can either have this as a solid strip, but I quite like it as a little pocket because it's still nice to add other things to it. So that's a pocket. And then this one's going to stick. Right, I'm just trying to get that bit of the glue bottle out of the way.
Yeah, the only bit of the paper you haven't used is that stripy one, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's quite interesting you say that because quite a few of the collections, if they have stripes in,
You don't use them?
I quite often don't use them.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. Whereas you like stripes, don't you?
I would, yeah, I probably would have used them.
Sometimes I do, but it's funny. I will use them if I'm doing a complicated layout with lots of flaps and things because you can contrast them. But if they're just on their own, probably not.
They'd be quite useful for little tiny borders because they'll bring
Yes.
because they've got all the colours in.
Yeah.
They'll just bring a colour in.
Right, so I want to make sure I don't stick it onto the page because it's, that's it. Just pop that there. That's just so I don't stick it onto the page itself. Okay, and then that is your page 10.